It's okay if you use your cheat sheet, by the way. I'm sorry. I didn't mean initial F. Sorry. Initial S, final S. I know I'm dumb. Initial R, final R. Initial S, final S. Initial R, final R. Initial T, final T. Initial S, final S. Initial P, final P. Initial R, final R. How does that feel? Does that feel okay? I hope you like it, because you're going to be doing a lot more of it in the future. So let's go to initial side. Let's recap initial side, and then we'll recap final side, and then I might throw another curveball in here somewhere. Let's work on initial side first. Initial side only. Make sure the final hand is where it's supposed to be. Keep your wrists where they're supposed to be. We don't have time for wrist problems. Initial K. Initial H. Initial T. Initial W. Initial W. Initial O. Initial K. Initial A. Initial O. Final L. Initial S. Final T. Final G. Initial P. Initial H. Final L. Final Z. Initial O. Final U. You see how I did that? I mixed it up. I honestly didn't intend to do that, but here we are. Initial K. Final S. Final Z. Initial and final R. Initial and final T. Initial and final S. Initial and final R. Initial and final P. Final G. Final U. Final E. Initial W. Initial O. Final B. I'm thinking about teaching you the alphabet, but I think this is enough for this video. Let's just do this. Don't pound on the keyboard while you're stroking. Don't do that. The keyboard is your friend, not your enemy. You'll just, as if you can, try to keep your strokes as light as possible. It depends on the machine. Some machines have deeper strokes, some have lighter strokes. What you want to do is find your machine manual. Every machine has a manual, whether you have a stenograph or whatever you have. Find the manual and see if you can adjust the depth of your keystrokes. Where is it? Like, for instance, mine are on the side. I can adjust the depth of my keystrokes on the sides. Maybe you have to lift a cover. Maybe yours is on the sides. Don't know where yours are. Adjust them to make the depth as short as possible, because that's how we go fast. We go fast because we don't have to go down and then up as far. I think I'm going to leave it at this. Try to get better as much as you can. This is only lesson 2. And then I will see you in lesson 3, where we start actually creating words. And it'll be a good time. It'll be fun. Bye.